Cry more! Cry more! Cry more! The GOAT collected his trophy. Cry more! Cry more! 6 World Cup, 0 for Ronaldo. Cry more! Cry more! 19 touches in his final game. Cry more! Cry more! The debate is over, case closed. Shame. Let me paint the picture nice and clear for you. Qatar 2022, Messi lifted it. Golden ball twice, nobody else gets to. Argentina champions, how does that sit? 2026 came around, Ronaldo said, this is my last chance. I won't go down without a fight. Spain said, hold on. Marino in the 91st, tears streaming down his face, walking off into the night. 19 touches in your final World Cup game at 41. Meanwhile, across the bracket, Messi cooking 7 goals deep, and Argentina isn't done. You played Uzbekistan, you played Croatia. 3 goals total, 1 was a penalty. The world was watching for your World Cup masterpiece, and that's genuinely all we got to see. You said the Euros is the same as the World Cup. The whole world laughed. You said the debate isn't over. The trophy said it's done. Messi's the GOAT. Always was. Always was. 6 World Cups for Ronaldo. 0 because. Spain ended it in Dallas. 91st minute late. Cry more, Ronaldo fans. The GOAT already ate. Most appearances in World Cup history. Messi leads 30 games, Ronaldo 27. Most goals in this 2026 tournament. Messi's on 7, Ronaldo finished on 3. 2 golden balls at the World Cup alone. 1 World Cup trophy sitting on his throne. Back-to-back campaign still going at 39. While Ronaldo cried on the touchline one more time. And the Euros coming, oh, we caught that. The Euros is just as significant as a World Cup. Nobody in the history of football has ever said that. That's a man rewriting history just to cope. Martinez kept Ramos on the bench for you. Chose loyalty over logic, look how that went. 0-58 expected goals from 10 attempts. The greatest of all time, that's what they meant. 30 years from now they'll ask the children,